See, 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 see. Okay, well, I like seeds a lot too, and these cookies are for you if you also like seeds. So let's get started. All right, well, with everything here, you might as well also call these the everything but the kitchen sink cookies. So we have 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour, 3/4 of a cup of regular flour, 1 cup of oats, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of salted butter, half a cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of raisins, and half a cup of sunflower seeds. And these are already roasted and salted, but I think raw sunflower seeds work fine too. Okay, for mixing these up, we're going to combine the flours, the baking powder, and the oats in a small bowl and set that aside. And then we're going to throw the butter and the brown sugar into a large bowl and beat that together until it forms a grainy paste. Then throw in the honey, the eggs, the vanilla, and the peanut butter and blend that together until it's nice and combined. And then we're going to throw in the flour, the raisins, and the sunflower seeds at the same time and mix that just until it's combined. All right, I'm going to start off here and combine our flours, our oats, and our baking powder. All right, and I literally said to myself like 2 minutes ago, remember to go grab a rubber spatula, but I forgot, so I'll be right back. Where is it? Ah! Where is it? Angie! Now I'm going to add the butter and the brown sugar to this bowl and beat it together. Okay. And this is tight, I remembered to do it. Okay, and I will throw in the eggs, the peanut butter, the honey, and the vanilla. And wait here approximately 3 years for all this to drain out. I almost did it. We got one little bit right there. I messed up my finger again. Ah! There. Whoa, okay. Certainly smells like peanut butter. All right. So we'll throw in the raisins, the sunflower seeds, and the flour mix. Okay, and I will spoon these out. Okay, and now we're going to preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and then spoon these cookies out onto ungreased cookie sheets. Then we're going to bake them for about 23 to 25 minutes, just until the bottoms turn golden brown. Take them out and then immediately take them off the trays and move them to another surface to cool. Usually I don't get enough trays, but now I got more than I needed. So let's throw these in the oven. Had another use for that third tray anyway. So having tried one of these now, the sunflower seed taste is very, very strong. But I'm cool with that because I love some seeds. But if you don't, then maybe cut them in half. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're going to make a special viewer submitted recipe. It's a little lemon tart pie thing. I'm not even sure exactly what it is, but we'll find out. So meet me back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.